Hello beautiful people, my name is Kristen. Thank you for coming back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I have a JB Stylebox. It is a clothing box sent from the lovely little boutique shop in Holland, Michigan, JB and Me. It's been a hot minute since I've been with you. We have had all kinds of house issues, so if you hear rumblings around, it's my husband working really hard to put it back together. So here is my bundle from my stylist. This is a very personalized service. You have a lot of interaction. It is the $20 styling fee, but you do need to spend $50 to keep your $20 credit. And then I don't want to look at the pictures too much because I want to kind of be surprised as I unbox, but they do a lovely job of sending a photo with an entire outfit, and if you don't have all the pieces in your box, you can go online and get any remaining pieces that you want, along with your return label and invoice. And ooh, what is this? Melon Moon Dip Sweetness Body Mousse. It looks like a little sample, so that's cute. I have to read about that. So I have one, two, oh, that looks like the purse that I asked for. I saw a picture, I can put it up here. I saw this picture on their Facebook page, and so I screenshotted it and sent it to my stylist, and I said, I really like this whole outfit, but with these jeans. And she said, well, those jeans aren't in your size, but I'll send you an outfit with the rest of the stuff. So it had shoes by Dolce Vita. I thought these looked like the perfect go to the office shoe, right? Just slip it on. If you're at your desk, you can even slip them off, slip them back on real quick if someone comes to see you. But I just thought, what a great neutral color, really classy. I wear mostly gold over silver. This is a little gold necklace that I got from JB Stylebox, but I really like these. So if these are comfortable and they fit, those will definitely be a winner. Let me open this because I think this is the bag, the handbag that came with it. Look how cute. Look how cute that is. So it's a little small, probably for me to carry all the time, but maybe, oh, it's got like the spring. Oh, that's really nice. And it's got a separate strap here, but you can kind of see it's pretty roomy, and it has the extra pocket, zipper pocket on one side, and then a other pocket over here. This is super nice. Urban Expressions. It's $70. I didn't know how much it was. It just showed up on the thing. So, I think it's probably worth that. And honestly, it's the 70s retro vibe that I love. So I'm likely keeping that too. And look how cute it is with the shoes, y'all. So here we go. Oh, I just noticed there's a jewelry box in the bottom. Let's look. Oh, I don't think I told her I don't ever wear earrings, but these are so cute. And they go really, really, really well with those shoes and the purse. Look at this. I mean, that is nice. That's really, really nice. But I have my ears pierced twice, but I don't wear earrings ever. But I like those, and I'm happy to show them to you because I think that would be perfect. All right, so I also requested this blouse. I think it's Liverpool, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Liverpool, but another 70s retro pattern. And I just thought this would be fall colors. These are kind of winter colors with the black and the raspberry. I love the blue, it would pick up my eyes. And I like the sleeveless because in Texas, I can wear this through January, February, whatever. It's got some elastic at the bottom. Super cute. And then this is the other one on that picture, as you remember. Who is this by? Z Supply. I like Z Supply. So again, kind of a sleeveless. It looks a little crop, don't you think? A little short, but we'll see. But I love the gray with my hair, which is a mess because it's 100 and something. So I just wear it up right now. But that is a super good transition piece. Ooh, this is cute. Who is this by? This is by Velvet Heart. So this is cute. It's like sheer and it's got the fall colors, but it's really lightweight, short sleeved. What do you think? That's super cute. Probably need to wear either a cami or at least a black bra under that. I think I'm just wearing neutral today. And then what do we got here? Sanctuary. I do like Sanctuary, and that's usually a brand that works for me as well. So Sanctuary, it's got like, does it have pockets? It looks like it has pockets. Yes, it does have pockets. It's got a big like pork chop pocket, and it's got a side cargo pocket. Ooh, and it's got, this is really nice for us 5'2" girls because it helps with the length. So that will be a really, really cute option. I had some that were similar to those pants that were like a camo texture that I love, that I wear a lot. So if those fit like those other ones, we'll be in business. So let's try on and see what we think. Okay, so I have on the first outfit. I went ahead and put on the blouse that was not requested first. This is by Velvet Heart. It comes down kind of as a little swing. It is sheer. If you can see light behind it, you can kind of see through it. I did put on a black tank underneath it. I like the bell sleeves. She said you can leave it out or probably tuck it in so it's not quite as much volume in the front. It has these cute little shell buttons, the kind of abalone or whatever shells. It has a collar. You can see it here. It's $69. I'll put all the information at the bottom of the screen for you. Then here's the pants. Might angle down just a little. And if you can see the shoes are unfortunately too big. They're just way, way loose. I would totally walk out of them. But the pants are nice. The pants are very comfortable, very lightweight, very movable, breathable. Really like the detail. You'll have to see the unboxing to see a lot of it up closer, but I'll show you the shoes again up close there. They're gorgeous. I'm very sad that they are just too roomy in here, so my foot is just way wiggly in them. But if you have just a little, I have a kind of a narrow foot, so if you have a normal to wide foot, this would probably be outstandingly comfortable and perfect. There is just a little bit of squishy padding for you. So there is the first outfit. I'll be back with a different top. I'm back with the Z Supply Quincy sweater. It is $69, $59. It does have a very wide weave, so you definitely want to, I've still got on the black tank underneath, but I think you could even wear like a bright color and, you know, kind of have it look through and would kind of be cute. It is definitely cropped. My belly button is actually below it. So I would always definitely wear a longer tank. Right now, I've got a black tank tucked into the pants. Again, these are the Sanctuary pants that I still really like. I really think this outfit is cute. Let me turn around and show you all the way around on the sweater. The armholes, but it's a big weave, so you've got to have something underneath this anyway, so that's all right. See, it hangs pretty tight to the back, and it doesn't come out too much in the front, but I really love the color, and I don't know, what do you think about this one? Let me know. Last top is Liverpool. This is the sleeveless V-neck. It is $68. It has elastic and kind of the faux wrap tuck. It is elastic even in the back though. See, the armholes look pretty good. I think I kept the tank on and it came up to here, so you could wear a tank underneath it, but I don't think it's too low. Like even for work or church, I think it's an appropriate V. And I really love the colors. I love how fall, winter, all the different aspects with the black pants. I think you could also wear khaki pants with it. It's interesting because I think this is where it's sitting on my, like if you can see the wrinkling there. Let's see if I can. What would you say? Rank them 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what do you think? I'm thinking that I love the pants. They fit well, they're lightweight, they're perfect for Texas. I want to keep those, and I really want to keep the purse. I don't need the purse, but it's a great winter bag, right? It's a neutral, go out on a date. It's not like over your shoulder or carry all your stuff, but it's a really cute, like go out just on a excursion or on a short trip kind of thing. So I think I'm going to keep those 2. Now, if you keep 3, you get free shipping. I'm not going to keep the earrings because I don't wear those. The shoes I would totally have kept, but they don't fit. So then I'm on the 3 tops. Are any of them worth keeping? This top, I love the colors and the pattern. I just really felt like it wasn't laying quite right. And a lot of, when I went back and looked, a lot of the stitching at the top just doesn't allow it to really lay completely flat, at least on me. This top I really, really like. It's not necessarily, these fall colors, I love them, but I never feel like they're the best right up against me. And there was a little, you know, bulk, but when you tuck it in, it was kind of cute. So maybe this one I think is probably leaning towards my favorite. I really like how it's lighter and just unique in the texture. And is the crop okay? Is that decent? Because I would wear a longer tank underneath it. So is that worth it? Or I just pay shipping and I keep the pants and the purse that I love. So leave me a comment, let me know. Like, subscribe if you're not following along for more goodness. I appreciate your time, you stopping by. Hope your summer is ending well and we are off to the races going back to school. Happy end of summer, beginning of fall, y'all.